You ready?
Yes, sir.
You ready? बैकग्राउंड में क्या आवाज आ रहा है? ग्रुप पे जाना सब लोग.
एक मिनट. Yes, sir. Ready.
We go live.
Yes, we are live now.
Play the video after the right.
Yeah.
Fine. Hi, good evening, everybody, and thanks a lot for all of you for joining the session. Myself, Amit Gurav, I am the marketing manager for Untitled Business Services, and we welcome you all to Do Big Digital Forum. Do Big Digital Forum is a customer engagement and education initiative across cities where industry leaders convene and discuss how digital technologies are being used to deliver compelling products and services, connect faster with customers, and optimize. These forums are an engagement platform for our customers, wherein on a continual basis, CityBase tries to understand their challenges and provide them with relevant digital services. Revealing the current global situation of efficiently operating with limited capacity, our smart solutions will enable you to efficiently work from home to meet the ends of your customers and the organization. Before we start the presentation, I will quickly set the session rules. Do Big Digital Forum is live and brought to you by Untitled Business Services. All the attendees will be on a listen-only mode. We have a dedicated Q&A session post our presentation, so please post your questions, your queries on the chat window, and we will address them. We have also organized a live poll wherein 4 questions displayed on your screen with multiple choice options. You have to select the relevant option and submit your poll opinions. Now we will quickly run you through the product AV. Post that, we will start with the post. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the AV. Now we will switch to the live polls. Can I have the live polls, please? Thank you.
Hello everyone. The live polls are live on your screen on the right hand side of in the column polls. You just click it. The first poll which is live on the screen is what are the top three trends that are currently impacting your industry? Digital transformation, COVID disruption, availability of finance, business continuity, or business growth slash expansion. You have 20 seconds to submit your opinion. Request you all to please participate. It will help us to know you and your company better. Five, four, three, two, one. Thank you very much. The second poll is live on your screen now. Is what are the top three area of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, upgrading infrastructure, operation, marketing, and sales. Request you all to please participate. You have 10 more seconds. 2, 1. Thank you. The next poll is live on your screen now. Which of the following Tata teleservice offering are you aware of? IoT solution, connectivity solution, cloud and SaaS, collaboration solution, or security solution? You have 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. The last poll for this particular session is live on your screen now. Which of our product and solution are you interested? Cybersecurity solution, IoT solution, voice connectivity for remote access, dedicated internet bandwidth, or Zoom? Thank you, everyone, for participating. Moving on. Today, we have our eminent speaker, which is
Yeah, thanks a lot for conducting the polls, and thanks a lot, everyone, for your active participation. With this, we move on with the presentation. Before we start with the slides, I will set the context again. Dubai Digital Forum is live and brought to you by Tata Tele Business Services. All the attendees will be on the listen only mode. We request you to please share your comments and feedbacks through the chat window. We have a dedicated Q&A session post our presentation. So please share your doubts, your queries. We will certainly address them. We start our presentation with a quote from Charles Darwin. In the long history of humankind, those who learn to collaborate and improvise most effectively have. And this is very much evident through our constant efforts, which we have seen during the first phase of the pandemic, wherein how the organizations have tackled the situation, how the demands were met with the help of collaboration and the improvisation with the help of digitalization. You learn, you live, you evolve. So product needs to evolve in order to meet the arising needs of the market. This is the brief agenda of the presentation. We will have the technology landscape. We will cover the SME landscape in brief. We will also see the challenges which were faced by our SMEs during the first phase of the pandemic, and then we'll have a Q&A. The only thing that is constant is change. And along with that change, here comes a disruption. So change is inevitable, and disruptive ideas, disruptive thought process is always emerge as a leaders, and that's what we have seen with the digital economy in the recent past. So what's happening to our SMEs? And these are the key technologies, trends enabling agility for our SMEs, which this includes the business continuity plan, this includes cloud and security. So when we talk about redefining a business continuity plan, we should always ensure that there are lower business interruption costs. After all, the P&L and the balance sheet is the most important factor for any organization. We have to act according to our plan. So there are long-term plans and the short-term plans for any organization. So we have to ensure that the operations are synced to meet the long-term goals of the organization. Basically, the vision, mission, or the roadmap which a management has prepared for their organization, and we have to follow them at the middle and the lower level. We have to resume our operations immediately, then that's what we have experienced during the unlock 2.0 and 3.0 last year. Fulfill the regulatory compliance. So we have to ensure that each and every regulatory compliances have been considered and taken care by the organization. So be it a security protocol, be it a IT protocol, be it a cyber security protocol, we have to ensure that everything is in place. We have to also create an integrated risk management system so that our operations are in a continuous process. We also have to ensure that the security at the organization is critical. So we have to ensure that we provide a very healthy and the secure environment for our employees while they were working from home or through remote operations. We also have to ensure that the data of our customers is in a secure, it is stored in a secure manner on the servers. Business challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic. So there are a lot of challenges. There are a few highlighted ones through our connects with the customers initially, how they were struggling to, even keep up upkeep of their businesses and meeting the requirements of their clients or customers. Employee tracking is extremely critical. Here we don't mean employee tracking is to doubt the ability of the employee while working from home. It is purely to deal with how are they managing the work from home protocols, are they working on a secure network or the environment. Collaboration, we are unable to meet the distant team member face to face as we were working from home, and we were unable to connect the customers face to face. Accessibility to the servers or the applications, so we were unable to access the office data or the servers or the applications. We were not visiting the offices, and we were completely immobile. So we were unable to access the office infrastructure due to the lack of security. And typically in the service industry, when we talk about the call centers, the agents have actually, they found it extremely difficult to tackle the situation while working from home because they were unable to, stay connected through the office infrastructure for the voice calls while they were working from home. Accessibility to the voice infrastructure. So we were unable to access the PBX infra and the voice due to the voice regulation. So it is a disruption if you're ready for it. The disruption is coming. The difference between panic and poise is preparation. So how well we are prepared, how well we are ready to handle the situation at any given point of time. How well versed we are with the situation. Are we digitally savvy? Are we having the ecosystem to manage the situation? So by going digital, we give our organization the ability and the agility to turn disruption into opportunity. So digital adoption by Indian SMEs, 43% of our SMEs, they use various internet platforms to sell and promote themselves. 75% of the SMEs in India, they believe that digital adoption is the key to their success. And that's what we have seen multiple success stories in education industry, in finance industries, in BFSI. We have also seen A few success stories in healthcare industry. This is all because this was possible because of the digital adoption by these organizations. 73% of our Indian SMBs, they are confident of bouncing back post-COVID. This is the shifting focus of our SMEs. So business confidence level, we are very much there. And if you see, when we talk about the new normal, digital first kind of adaptability within our organizational ecosystem, we are having an upward trend. So longer term focus, we drive the top line, drives decision, as I earlier mentioned in our plans, that we have to stick to our plans. And with increased tactical degree, we have a shorter term focus with the bottom line drives the decision. We will stress a bit of time on this slide because at Tata Tele Business Services, we believe that following these five guidelines of technologies, which are very much needed for our SMEs. Technology becomes obsolete over a period of time, and obsolescence is a huge burden for any industry for that matter. So we recommend to rent a technology rather than owning the entire piece of set for the organization. SME needs are very unique and simple, but their business processes keeps on evolving at a constant pace. So we recommend a select fit for purpose versus a scaled down large solution. Unused capacity of technology is always costly. So we have to use the capex to grow the core business, and that's what we mean to say: bill as you grow and pay as you use. In general, the cost of integration is 10x of the cost of the product. So the onus will be on the SMEs to ensure that everything fits together. So we have to look for an integrated solutions rather than having a silos of product. Last but not the least, IT talent is expensive. You have to ensure support is linked to your spend and it is not a fixed cost. You have to ensure that there is ample of support at the back end for the team to operate as and when required. So these are the 5 simple guidelines on technology for our SMEs. With this, we move on with Tata Tele Business Services, do big with smart solutions. This is our strength. So we at Tata Tele Services, we strongly believe that our customers have been given the first priority. We strongly believe in providing the necessary support to our SMEs who are equally contributing towards the GDP of our country. They are actually helping a nation building by employing around 60% of the population within our nation. So, and they are able to create that kind of employment opportunities. The decision-making ability with our SMEs is much more higher and faster than the larger enterprises. So if you see in this slide, we have around 40,000 plus business customers in our ecosystem. We have 1,400 plus channel partners across region who are constantly connecting with our customers, with our prospects to ensure that the right set of solutions are being offered to them, and then they are being there, and then they are being fulfilled at our end. 1,500 plus channel team members. We have 60 plus cities presence across India. We have 1,000 plus strong enterprise team members. So this is the kind of a team we have. We have a team of experts. We have a team of consultants who are constantly working day in, day out to ensure that the deliveries are being done. Deliveries of solutions, deliveries of technology, deliveries of products and services are being made to our customers. We have 125,000 plus kilometers of optical fiber. We have a very widespread network all across India. So we do 160,000 plus field visits, which have been carried out by our network team, by our engineers, by our service engineers, and the delivery engineers who connect with our customers on a personal level, and then they ensure the necessary service level agreements are being maintained with our customers so that they don't face any kind of challenges or issues. Last but not the least, we have 60,000 plus connected buildings in our ecosystem. This is our product portfolio in a nutshell. We have 6 verticals. The first one is connectivity solutions. Then we have the security solution. We will cover it extensively in our subsequent slides. We have collaboration services. Then we have cloud and SaaS. And the newly added baby to our portfolio is SmartFlow, which is our cloud communication suite. We have marketing solutions and the IoT solutions. If we see, we are the one-stop shop solution provider to meet the needs of our SMEs. Once you approach us or our team member approaches you, you need not worry about the multitasking, the multiple delivery packages which you have. Otherwise, you have to coordinate with multiple people, multiple channels have been created. So once you deal with us, it's a one-stop shop solution provider. You need not worry about anything when it comes to products or services, solutions, or connectivity solutions. So now we move on to our product. The first one is our smart VPN. To bounce back with remote and secure connectivity. We also provide you with a remote access through MPLS, which is traditional MPLS network, reliable data security, quick and easy to install, seamless business continuity, and multi-device OS support. With our smart VPN, which is a virtual private network, we have a traditional MPLS VPN, which can connect your business networks with high bandwidth and SLA based last mile on MPLS. Internet VPN, we have the low cost connectivity with the managed security services overlay. We have the MPLS or LT, it's one of the innovations that are business services. So you can connect the remotest of the branch through our LTE SIM with a low cost scalable options. Then we also have in cloud, we have the secure connect. Now you can stay connected on a third party cloud. Last but not the least, we have the remote access. So remotely access your business for work from home or ensuring continuity in the times of lockdown. So our smart VPN, it is a new age MPLS VPN for our SMEs. A complete hybrid solution based on the need and the requirement of our SMEs. So with our wireless last mile, it is completely reliable, telco agnostic solution. LTE, GSM based last mile connectivity. Now you can get your feasibility anywhere, everywhere. Best in terms of cost benefits, plug and play, and then you also have the ease of deployment. We will move on to the case study, the most important case study, which was delivered by Tata Tele Business Services to one of our customers, which is Bharat Cooperative Bank Limited, and they being into this business, into the legacy banking business in the cooperative sector since 1978, and they have a typical situation to deal with the remote accessibility issues and the concerns for their employees working from the branches. So they wanted to provide a seamless connectivity to their entire team spread across branches. They also wanted to look out for a seamless availability of the core banking solutions to their customers. So now their customers can, they wanted to give them a facility where they can, the load on the branches can reduce and they can give a core banking solution on their core banking solutions through the net banking facility. So as a solution, we provided them with a customized solution. We provided them with a secure MPLS network for bank to prioritize a set of highly efficient routes for customer traffic, multiple PRI lines facilitating concurrent transmission of voice as well as data traffic over the dedicated line, and high-speed internet lease line connectivity for business efficiency. With this, we were able to provide the operational efficiency, increase customer base, and greater customer satisfaction. Reimagine work from home with a smart internet for business, one of the innovations that are business services. So this is the internet service we provide to your employees who are working from home through a clean pipe, a complete secure network. So now you can enjoy the uninterrupted secure internet connection at home. secure VPN access, remote access from home, and commitment of 99.5% of our SMEs. What is a smart internet? So it is a one-stop shop solution for all your needs of bandwidth, manageability, work from home, and it is scalable. Guaranteed peace of mind. So in terms of financial and business benefits due to technical capabilities, freedom from worries like difficulty in ownership, deployment, router management, configuration. When it comes to the product features, it provides you with a secure VPN access, user authentication, plug and play, next generation UI enhances, and managed security. Financial comes with a zero capex, higher return on investment, reduce operational cost, better employee productivity. For businesses, now you can continue your business, work from home, work from field or on the go, scalable as per business needs and future ready. With our smart internet, you can get the best of internet and security. Smart internet, which is bundled with UTM with no additional cost. Complete cost effective solution. The affordable monthly rental start from just rupees 249 per user. Totally scalable. It can start with 15 users and it can go up to 5,000 users. Wide range of bandwidth. It is available for all bandwidths from 10 to 500 Mbps as a standard offering. Feature rich with zero capex, so no capex investment, and it comes with the security of Bluetooth. We move to the one of the interesting case studies. So Ryan Ship Management, they being into the shipping business and they have their presence globally with offices across the world. They want to give their customers a 24 by 7, 365 days of capabilities. So their problem statement was they wanted a reliable remote access solution by which they can connect to their international clients as well as office locations in India to serve the need in a timely manner. So at Tata Tele Business Services, we evaluated the solution after a lot of meetings and discussion with their team. Also, their global team was also involved with this project. So we had to, we have a team of experts who has actually acted as a consultant for Ride Management and their team, their IT team, and uh, with all, we came out with a solution. So we provided them with this smart internet, which is a complete solution comprising of remote access, managed services, and security features backed by UTM. So now there is no uh, threat to the data of the employees, or they are working in the secured network. So they evaluated our expertise in providing cutting edge solutions in this space, and they deployed a remote access for their employees on keep them updated every minute, hours for their customers. So now they were able to access all the important applications. Their employees who are working from home or remotely, they were able to attend the important calls of their customers, which is spread across all the continents, and they were able to provide them with the resolution in a timely manner. We move on to security solutions. The most important aspect for our businesses during the phase of the pandemic. Cyber security needs and why do we need to be secure from cyber threats? So while browsing net, protecting the company server, while checking emails and working from home. So these are the scenarios where we have to become completely sure about the cyber security. There were rise in the cyber attacks since the COVID-19 outbreak, and we all are aware that a lot of organizations, a lot of institutes have also faced this kind of challenges. And even the BSC had actually warned the market intermediaries about such cyber attacks being carried out. So these are the assets and the security at an organization which needs to be completely protected and secure. When it comes to the asset, there is an access, server applications, endpoints. In endpoints, we have the small screen, which is the mobile phone. There is a desktop and the laptops. It has to be completely secure. So, be it the hardware and the software, we have to ensure that the security cannot be compromised for any organization. So, these are the components of the security offering. In products, we offer the data security. We have the endpoint, identity, and the access management and the network security. In services, we have the consulting, implementation, testing, operations, and the incident responses. These are the use case risk mitigation in the new ways of working. Basically, the new avatar which we have, which is the hybrid model, or the now we can say the hybrid model, or also it was completely work from home, uh, where the employees were working from home. They were having access to the important applications of the organization. The first one is the accidental device misuse. So staff are working from home or remotely, and accidentally the office laptop might get uh, misused by the members other than the employees. The risk mitigation in such areas is extremely high. User behavior, after studying a lot of user behavior while we are working from home or remotely, we tend to spend some time browsing internet, spend some time on social media and personal emails. There are also cases where removable media devices may be attached to the work laptop and devices being used to complete the work. This is the second scenario where the risk mitigation is extremely higher. We also want to stay always connected to the network. So we also tend to look out for those shared Wi-Fi networks, the free Wi-Fi networks. So devices are left connected to the business network and the important applications, as the boundary between office hours and recreational time has become increasingly fluid. So these are the three important scenarios we cannot neglect where the risk mitigation is extremely higher. So what are the components of our solution? In software application, we have the software application. We have the multiple OS supports. In analytics, we have the security reports, user group reports, notifications and alerts. In administrative portal, we have the policy management, exception management, single view of health status of all devices. In cloud hosting, we have the real-time discovery and the patch management. So what are the product feature set? So device types, which it supports all the Windows PC, desktop, laptop servers, Mac OS laptop, Apple iOS smartphones, and the Android smartphone. This is one case study where we would like to stress much time on this, because this was a unique case study. So the company profile was they provide an end-to-end business process outsourcing services and solutions with expertise across various domains. So they focus on low cost processing and high quality output. So they were managing the food delivery application backend, and they were looking at a zero trust approach. They also wanted to ensure that the remote BPO workers are protected against the increased cyber attacks during the crisis. So as a solution, we provided them with the endpoint security, firewall, and the multi-factor authentication. With this, we move on to the next product line, which is the Smart Flow. So Smart Flow is newly added baby to our portfolio. Smart Flow, it is a smart, multimodal, multifunction, flexible, scalable, secure, and reliable suite of cloud-based communication solutions. It is a sophisticated smart flow of digital connectivity, business intelligence, and productivity. So why we recommend smart flow? Now your employees can stay connected anytime, anywhere, and they can communicate with their customers on the go. They need not worry about the cubicles. They need not worry about any handset or the devices challenges. Now it can stay connected to the application and contact their customers or the business. It reduces the operational and the capital cost, so there are no bulky infrastructure. It works across all the devices from the landlines and the smartphones, and there are no infrastructure and the maintenance. Enterprise grade security and reliability, so RESTful API features, click to call and number masking, business continuity with 99.5% uptime, and customizable admin portal and access. Yeah, you can get the business intelligence or reports and analytics to track agent project progress, call notes, live calls, and data insight, voice to text, keyword mapping, and sentiment analysis. On demand scalability, it is ultra flexible. It enables you to quickly adapt this the call situation. It works efficiently in changing business conditions. Enhance customer experience. It provides seamless and frictionless customer experience. Artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menus and plug and play API integrations with multiple applications. So why we recommend SmartFlow? It is an inbound solution. So toll-free number, multi-level IVR, virtual number, CRM integration, extension-based routing and user input and API integration. Click-to-call solution, it offers click-to-call from the panel or website, OTP-based calling, number masking, outbound with call transfer to agent and call patching, COD verification. Missed call solution, it has an SMS-based services, OTP-based calling, missed call with outbound integration and missed call with IVR. In OBD solution, it has a DTMF-based outbound blast, unlimited routing level, integration of outbound and inbound. This is one interesting case study with one of the BPO. It is a mid-sized BPO with around 500 employees, and they manage multiple processes like customer service, vendor management, lead management, and document verification. So they were looking at scaling up the business outcome across multiple lead generation campaigns and customer service process. So they also wanted to ensure the security of their customer data while agents were working from home, which is a critical part for any business. So with our smart flow, how we were able to resolve uh, the challenge and provide them with the impactful solution. So we provided them with the hosted contact center, which offers a complete call center operation management features like blended queue management, built-in CRM integrations, agent panel, call batching, prioritizing callback, sticky agent sentiment analysis, and detailed analytics and reporting. The artificial intelligence manages call routing with smart IVR menus. The customer privacy is ensured by number mask. So this was one interesting case study with the BPO. So now the customer need not worry about the calls which have been routed to the agent's mobile phone. So they need not worry about the disclosure of the number, because with the number masking facility, both sides, both parties, maybe the agent as well as the customers' numbers have been completely masked. The new partnership with Zoom, as I earlier mentioned, that we are a one-stop shop solution provider. So once you approach us, you will not worry about multitasking. We will take care of your requirements. So some partnerships are game changing, and this is one that partnership which has actually been a turnaround for our SMEs. So at Tata Tele Business Services, we provide digital solutions, and Tata Tele Business Services has a deep understanding of customer needs in the SME and the enterprise segments. And our partnership with Zoom will provide businesses with highly unified communication solutions, enabling them to collaborate effectively and forge more meaningful relationships with their ecosystem. So with these solutions, businesses can put all of their communication concerns to rest and gain access to the best of both the worlds, including trusted service, user-friendly interface, and the robust security. So Zoom Solution Suite, we have the Zoom meeting, which is a simplified video conferencing across all your devices. And then we also have the Zoom webinars, and we can engage your audience with the flawless technology. So what are the advantages of the entire partnership? So now we have a one-stop shop solution for our SMEs. So TT-based range of services, solutions, and offerings empower SMEs and helps them accelerate their digital transformation journey. Robust security, so you can protect all your meetings with multiple layers of security, password protection, role-based security, and waiting rooms can all be leveraged for more secure meetings. Trusted service, so managed service and reporting by TTBS with comprehensive SLA. User-friendly interface, so simple, easy to use products and tools for seamless collaboration across office and home working spaces. This is the complete feature. We can explore infinite business opportunities with new age unified communication solutions. With our Zoom, it provides you with the complete security, advanced data protection, unlimited meetings, live transcriptions, complete privacy is maintained, cloud-based recording, marathon meeting sessions, widespread authentication tools, identity management, remote device control, business intelligence, and superior meeting experience. So, what are the key benefits from Tata Business Services? We are an innovative product organization. So, we have products which are ahead of time and serve the present and the future needs. We have products which are compatible with IPv6 solutions. Best reach a variety of solution available to connect remote locations. Solution also available on LTE wireless last mile. Bundle services, it provides solution as a complete offering. So now you can bundle your ILL with CPE license and security, ease of handling for RSMEs. Best SLAs in the industry. So overall level of all our data products has been at 99.5%, and TTPS ensure the same is maintained for its connectivity products as well. Transparency through the self-care portal. So now you can access to a self-care portal. It helps in getting the complete visibility of network in terms of utilization, performance of link, etc. With this, we come to the end of our presentation. You can reach out to our team through our website. You can get the latest of the updates on our social media handles. We are quite active on social media. We have posted a lot of content which is relevant to our SMEs. You can reach us out through 1800-266-1800. This is the toll free number. You can email us at dubig@taratel.co.in. You can also reach us out through WhatsApp, which is 922339822. With this, we end the presentation and open for Q&A. Any questions?
Thank you, Amit sir. Right now, we don't have any question.
So we move on with the feedback
Feedback.
session, please. Thank you. Yeah, please carry on the feedback.
Yeah, the participant, the feedback are on your screen. There are 4 feedback. I would request you to rate us in the format with the excellent, good, average, poor. The first one, which is on your screen now, can you rate us on overall experience? You have 10 seconds to just please submit your feedback. Next is on our speaker inside. Request you all to please participate. It will help us to improve ourselves further. The third feedback is live on your screen, is about the product insight. Can you rate us about our product insight? Excellent, good, average, poor. And the last is, can you rate us on the overall experience of our platform? Platform experience, this virtual platform experience, how you will be going to rate us? Thank you very much for the active participation. Over to you, Amit sir.
Thanks a lot, each and every one of you, for being a part of this Dubai Digital Forum, and we really appreciate your time. We really appreciate your active participation in the live polls as well as in the feedback session. It will really help us a lot to evolve session by session. With this, we would like to end this Dubai Digital Forum for all. Please stay home, stay safe, take care of your near ones and dear ones, and please follow all the COVID related protocols. Thank you once again. We sign off from.
Thank you, sir. Thank